Looking for a loaded luxury sedan? Well, we can't sell you a car, but we can show you how to bake a Cadillac cake. Now on Cooking with Kooks. Hello and welcome to Cooking with Kooks. My name is Professor Iggy Naramis. We show you casual gourmet cooking that you can do at home. Whether you have a sweet tooth, a sour tooth, a savory tooth, or a spicy tooth, we make sure all your teeth are happy as you are biting into our delicious recipes. It is dessert day here in our program, and Mary Jo Bake-A-Lot took my grandmother's recipe for banana bread and she turned it into something that you wouldn't want to step in.
Hi, I'm Mary Jo Bake-A-Lot. Listen, dimwit, that recipe you gave me came out of a cookbook written by a caveman.
I beg your pardon. My grandmother did not live in a cave, nor did she wear bear skins. You took my grandmother's beloved recipe and you made it into cow flop that you would find in a meadow. And then you named it after a used car.
Look at it. I baked something and it's gone in seconds. A loaf pan isn't going to be big enough. It's like an army of clowns getting into a compact car at the circus.
Oh, so you gave the clowns a Cadillac instead of a Mini Cooper. Is that right?
That's right, genius. It's like a big Cadillac limousine cake with all the options. Bananas, chocolate chips, brown sugar, and the nuts for people like you.
All the options, huh? Well, I guess my Grammy's cake was just standard equipment.
Very, very standard.
What options are in this Cadillac cake? Automatic transmission?
No.
Power steering?
No.
Cruise control?
No.
Fog lamp?
No.
Leather?
Hell no.
Then it's just a stripped-down jalopy of a cake with a lot of gimmicks as options.
My option is to make a deep impression in your noggin if you don't zip it real fast, mister.
The Cadillac cake is a banana bread with a luxury motif. There is no comparison to other banana breads with the decadence of this cake. Make sure your bananas are ripe, not bruised. Everything about this cake is upscale and fabulous. This is a cake you will never be bored of because of the sour cream, nuts, and chocolate chips that make this a moist luxury dessert. Take 3 cups of all-purpose flour and combine with the salt, baking powder, and baking soda using a whisk. Put the bananas in a bowl and mash using a fork. Well, that took too long. We'll use a potato masher instead.
See, you forked up.
Oh, fork off, Iggy! Combine the butter and brown sugar until smooth. Then add to the mashed bananas. Then add the eggs, sour cream, and vanilla extract to the mashed banana brown sugar mixture. Take the deluxe mixed nuts and pour into a bag for crushing with a rolling pin. Remember to reserve some nuts and chocolate chips for the top of the cake. Now add the chocolate chips and crushed nuts to the banana brown sugar mixture. Combine with the flour 1 cup at a time. Do not overmix or the cake will be tough. When a wet appearance is achieved, coat the cake pan with oil or cooking spray. Pour the cake batter into a cake pan and give it a shake to even it out. Distribute the chocolate chips and nuts on the cake top. Place in the oven at 350 degrees and babysit the cake, meaning check periodically to see if it is done. is the finished product.
And here we go. We're going to drive the caddy into the garage. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, it's so good. It's sweet. It's chocolatey. It's nutty. It's banana-y. Banana-y. This is the kind of cake that you eat at the world premiere of a movie.
I think my grandmother would have been proud of the way I defended her recipe today.
Tell your grandma to stick to cookies.
Well, join us again for more culinary excitement laced with expletives. My name is Professor Iggy Naramis for Cooking with Kooks.
Cooking with Kooks is a production of Culinary Characters of America.